Today we want to design this orange-colored monster together. You only need a computer to design it and using Adobe Illustrator software. In the first step, I take the rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the desired dimensions. You can go through all the steps like me to master this task and later try it again on your own. I select the background color of my work that I placed in the corner of the image and adjust it with the gradient tool, and then with the circle tool, I make 2 circles for the monster's eyes. Now, the shape of my monster eyes is very simple. I want them to be a bit more attractive, so I'm moving the corners a bit to get the shape I want. Let's go to the eyes. I want to create it with red color. No need to recreate another eye. I'll take a copy of this one by pressing Ctrl+F. Let's move on to creating shadows for the eyes. You can do this step like I did, or you can even do it with the pen tool. I create a mouth for my monster with pen tool or pencil tool. I will add a little detail to my work. You can implement anything you have in mind in this part. I am trying to create a sequin mode for my monster.